Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology in MBBS first year. Begin by understanding the fundamental principles of each body system. Focus on the why behind physiological processes, not just memorizing facts. Connect different systems to see the bigger picture of human function. This approach builds a strong foundation for future medical studies and clinical application. To master core physiology, start with the basics of cell and general physiology. Utilize standard textbooks like Guyton and Hall for in-depth explanations and diagrams. For quick revisions and different perspectives, incorporate review books. Always attend your lectures, as they often highlight important topics and provide valuable insights from your professors. Make sure your notes are concise and organized. Active learning is crucial for deep understanding. Try drawing diagrams and flowcharts to visualize complex physiological processes, like the cardiac cycle or renal function. Explaining concepts aloud, even to yourself, helps solidify your knowledge. Regularly work through clinical case scenarios to apply what you've learned. Collaborating in small study groups allows for diverse perspectives and peer teaching, enhancing retention. For effective revision and exam preparation, create a structured study plan. Regularly review all topics, focusing on areas you find challenging. Practice extensively with previous examination questions to understand the question patterns and time management. Don't forget the importance of a balanced lifestyle. Adequate sleep and nutrition are vital for optimal brain function and performance during your exams. Stay consistent and confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.